on what is set to be the hottest day of the year so far. We're a better place to be than the seaside. We could peak at 35 degrees Celsius today. Thunderstorms across northern areas, the heat and humidity coming crashing down. More comfortable later this week. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
There, Laura.
Oh my goodness, this is just a wonderful place to be and what is set to be the hottest day of the year so far. Gorgeous sunrise behind me, we've got the gorgeous sand under our feet, the waves crashing. It is said to be hot and humid. We could get up to 35 degrees Celsius today. So if you're heading to the seaside, maybe to cool off, maybe take a dip in the sea.
Shoes off already.
Go on,
Ready to go for it. Come on, paddle those toes.
It is so... just a little toe, maybe, just a toe.
How cold is it?
Ooh, that'll do. That'll do. 18, but it feels a lot colder. I'm not joining those guys, that's for sure.
All right, well done. Thanks, Laura. See you later.
Shining across Boscombe Beach here this morning on what is set to be the hottest day of the year so far. It is crazy to think that there will be thousands of people lining this beach along the south coast and across much of England and Wales today as those temperatures look set to climb. A more comfortable breeze, don't forget your sun cream. If you're heading to the beach, please take your litter with you. We've seen litter pickers here all morning clearing the rubbish from yesterday. The heat and humidity rising, but why? It is down to warm air that's being drawn up from the near continent over the last few days. Today is the peak in the heat and we're looking at 35 degrees Celsius. That is way hotter than many other holiday hotspots that many of us are used to going to, or even some of your friends on holiday at the moment. But if the heat is too much for you, welcome news. For the next few days, we largely see those temperatures dropping pretty quickly back down to around about average. So how does it look for today? Heat and humidity in the south, but torrential thunderstorms in the north. And there's a warning enforced from the Met Office for these thunderstorms today across Northern Ireland and across Scotland and northern areas of England. For the rest of England and Wales, it is hot and humid, and it is also set to be dry. So temperature-wise today, as I mentioned, 35 degrees our top temperature, always cooler and more comfortable around the coast. Don't forget your sun cream, you will need it because UV levels are high to very high. So how do things pan out as we head through the next 7 Good morning. Yes, it was a beautiful start to the day this morning. We've already seen lots of people coming down to the beach, enjoying it while the temperatures are much more comfortable because today is set to be the hottest day of the year so far. Hot air moving its way up from the near continent. We could get up to 35 degrees Celsius today. So the seaside, somewhere you can come and cool down in the fresh breeze. But
Now, she's hundreds of yards away. We know what you're doing.
She's keeping herself dry.
Too far.
All right, next time.
And with Olympic fever, I have set up my very own Beach Olympics. This is Oscar, who is going to be diving into the sea. Go ahead, Oscar. Like to watch our very own Beach Olympics. Now, weather-wise, it's a glorious sunny day here today, and it is set to be the hottest day of the year so far. But it's a divided outlook. We have thunderstorms across the north of the country. Warnings enforced from the Met Office for how heavy the showers and thunderstorms are set to be. England and Wales is hot and humid. So this divide continues all day long. The risk of localised flooding in the north from these heavy showers and thunderstorms. But as the heat and humidity builds with temperatures potentially up to 35 degrees Celsius, which is 95 in Fahrenheit, it is worth pointing out UV levels will be very high. So if you are heading to the beach or outside today, don't forget your sun cream. Thankfully, the heat and humidity moves away overnight tonight, as do the thunderstorms. A dry, clear night tonight, perfect for viewing the Perseid meteor shower.
Yeah, at a safe distance, fair enough.
I'm still quite a long way away. Earlier, I got Oscar to go in for me, and I thought that was a much better option. And we all enjoyed watching him go for a swim. Instead, I've actually got my beach towel ready, and I'm just going to stay here for the rest of the day now. Because actually, it already is filling up here at the seaside. So many people are coming down, ready for a day of heat. But wear your sun cream, because it's set to be a very hot one, 35 degrees, but 18 in the sea. So yes, heat and humidity building, and that means thunderstorms. So it's a tale of two halves today. Torrential thunderstorms across the north of the UK, Northern Ireland first thing, now into Scotland and northern England. Heavy